Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I am going to teach you how you can grow your small account. So here my account balance is only $650 and I've already done a withdrawal of $7,000 as you can see here in my screen. So after that withdrawal I only have a very minimum balance here and my target is 10% gain. Okay, so the current time is this is New York session nighttime, and you know the market is going to be very volatile, so I am trying to invest 5% of my capital and my target is 10% of the capital gain. Okay, so here I have already taken my currency pairs and I will be only taking few trades and try to grow my account from $650. 10% increase mean that would be around $750. Okay, so let's get started with our trading. So guys, I've already taken multiple currency pair and my profit target is only 10% of my capital and I'm risking 5% of my capital. This is my money management. Okay, I always do this and you have to do this as well. You have to take risks according to your capital. Okay, so here I can see that the market is trying to go up because market is currently forming higher highs and lower lows, not lower lows, lower highs. So here there's a big bullish candle which has a very small lower wick, and in compared to the lower wick it has a longer upper wick. Okay, and now I think market is trying to trick me, making me think that the market is going to go down. So OTC market does this. Okay, they will try to trick you into your analysis and make you lose, but you have to stick to your analysis. Okay, so I think the market is really going to go up, and even if this trade goes loss, I'll be taking my martingale trade. This is where martingale comes into action. Okay, you see the big red candle, this is going to trick me that the market is going to go down and trying to tell me that I have to take a put entry from here. But no, I'll stick to my analysis and I'll be taking my martingale trade here with the same 5% risk to my capital. Okay, and one is a marginal safety entry here. So it doesn't matter if I have lost a trade, but what happened is with my one marginal safety trade and two martingale trades, what happened is I recovered my previous loss and then I end up booking profit as well. So this is how you have to do your money management. Okay, you have to stick to your analysis, you have to stick to the money psychology, and then only you can take out the profit target you have thought of in your head. So this is the only logic I'm trying to tell you here, and this is a clear ITM and I booked my profit. You see that this is a big victory. So don't let the market fool you. Okay, and this is a ITM trade, you see guys. So now let's move on to our next chart. I only need to place few trades here to grow my capital 10%. That is my profit target and I'll stick to it. Okay, the market is making higher high here as well, right? The major trend was bearish, but now the market is trying to shift from bearish to bullish. But I was not clear about that chart, so can we take a reversal trade? No. The big green candles are there and rejection, so market can go either way. Okay, here now market is in a ranging situation. There's a doji kind of green candle here. Okay, and now here I'm going to take a reversal trade. Okay, there is our strong SSNR, that is very strong support or resistance, so which is why I've taken a reversal trade here. Also there was a green hammer in the middle of the trend, so this would be our SSNR. Okay, okay, the same situation is going on New York session, and you see market is trying to manipulate me I know that market needs to reverse. So what tricked me here is the green hammer, okay? Maybe that was not a green hammer, that was a red hammer, but this green hammer is tricking me that market is going to reverse, and now they are creating a fake breakout situation here. But what will I do? I'll be taking my martingale trade because I am 100% sure that the market needs to make one green candle, and this would be my last trade. Okay guys, according to my capital, I've taken 5% risks to my capital. There is a SSNR, a fake breakout situation here. There's a green hammer in the middle. Buyers want to enter the market, and now this is going to be 100% sure shot ITM trade. Okay, and after this trade, my 10% profit gain would be completed. Okay, you see the green hammer, they created an illusion. Maybe that is not a green hammer, that might be a red hammer. Okay, we don't know, but this is called manipulation, and you have to be aware of that. This is 100% going to be a green candle. Okay, you see that? Even if my first trade was lost, it doesn't really matter. I'll stick to my analysis, and you see that market reversed, and this is a clear ITM trade, guys. And I booked my profit target, that is 10%. Okay, perfect. You see the balance, this is more than 10%, maybe this is 15% gain. So I'll be stopping my trade here because this is a New York session, very volatile, and I will come up with video part 2. Until then, you be aware of the market situation. Also, if you want to join my VIP channel, you can join it. You have to create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20, and send me a trader ID. Okay, so with this, I'm signing out for today, guys. Stick to your money management, stick to your analysis, and see the result. Until then, bye bye.